Hello there, how's it going? Happy Friday to everybody, or at least today it is. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but as I said in my previous video, I was waiting for my new drone to come. The Redcat Carbon 210 race drone. Very excited. Brief summary, previous drones that I've had. The Inductrix FPV Plus, which has been a lot of fun. Been flying that for about a month and a half or so. The Torrent 110, had some struggles with that before I got the Inductrix, and got this new racing drone here. We're gonna do a little unboxing here and see what comes in this package. Got this from Dronucopia.com, drones.shop. So here we go. All right, there we go. Little traveling case. Cool, fancy little travel box here. I like this already. All right, looks like we got some information. Manual instructions, pretty typical. Oh yeah, look at this. I got some little stuff here, some extras. We'll get to that a little later. Looks like we got a little tool here. A couple Allen wrenches. I'm sure this will be for putting on the props. We got some more tools. A little screwdriver. Looks like we got a little antenna here. We got the transmitter here. Pretty simple, pretty standard. Three switches here: beginner, advanced, and professional. Looks like we got some extra props. Ooh, big props compared to what I'm used to. We got a battery charger. Battery, which was also in the big box that everything came in here. Yeah, 1500 milliamp, 11.1 volt, 25C, LiPo. And then, last but not least, the drone itself. Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh, that is compared to what I've been flying, that is a big boy. Redcat Carbon 210 racing drone. Let's put this off to the side for now. Oh, got some little keys here for the nice little travel box. Pretty cool. Lock up your stuff. Keep people out. All right, onboard camera, 600 TVL horizon resolution. That's it. Manual. One battery. Battery charger. Antenna here. I got a feeling, yep, it's gonna go into right there and latch into there. A couple keys for the travel box, and yeah, so that's it. That was my unboxing of the Redcat Carbon 210 race drone from Dronucopia. Looking forward to getting out there today. If not, I won't be able to do it this weekend. Busy working, but I got some time off next week. I will definitely have some new footage of me and the maiden flight of the new racing drone. So until next time. We got some double tape here. Bear with me, folks. The box is smarter than me.